Hey, yo! Yo, it's your boy swizzymack. I'm on the way to the fucking range right now, following this fucking ambulance. I got my DP-12! So yeah, if you don't know, a DP-12 shotgun is a semi-automatic shotgun that holds 14 rounds. Most of your standard shotguns hold 5. Wait till I get inside and I can show y'all some footage. Totally nuts. I'm gonna put some shells down range, but yeah, I'm about to go and test out my DP-12. Bro, wait, why does she have a sword in the, bro, it's cutting through it. Never mind. So yeah, Philadelphia Training Academy, let's go check it out. So just got inside the range, just picked up my target, some ammo. Make sure you got goggles and ear protection when you go to the range, because niggas not trying to go blind or deaf. So you gotta make music. So yeah, right here is my Glock 32 chambered in 357 Magnum. Here we got the Taurus chambered in 38 Special. Right here we got the Canik TP9 SC, and right here we got the Big Dog TP9 SF. But right here, this is what we're here for. Alright, so we're gonna get started. I'm not even gonna wait. We'll just jump right into the DP-12. Yo, all I have to say after leaving the range and shooting my DP-12 for the first time is, oh my God.